Okay, let's go.
LC Works, guys, and today marks day one of the Van Villen build. Yes, Van Villen is the name we've come up with for the build. If it's any good, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts or any ideas on what a name could possibly be. I'd really appreciate it. You know, I do believe in interaction is a massive part of this channel. We're very brand new, so let's start off on the right foot. But yeah, day one marks the engine out of the GSI. We're going to take the gearbox out, suspension legs out, hubs, shafts, you name it, everything else along the way. And then we're going to start breaking it down into the wiring looms, moving on to the back axle. But they'll be coming in later videos. Anyway, before we get involved in that, there's a project what's took up a couple of weeks of time of ours to get to this point, and that is a few renovations around the shop. So let's take you back to how things were in the previous videos, and let's show you how things are now, and I'll hope you like it. So the M5 videos from previous, you'll have seen the garage is dark and dingy. Here's a clip off YouTube. It was absolutely terrible. Look at the shit and clutter in here. It had to go. So we got a skip in. We've got rid of all the stuff that we don't need out of the shop, and we're on to the painting. So over about 2 or 3 nights, we've been in the workshop working till 10, 11 o'clock, getting this thing painted back white. And I tell you what, it was a job, it was an operation. But once that's done, we're laying down the blue enamel onto the floor with some 2K hardener just to make everything nice and solid so it dries nicely. As we know, it can take a little bit of curing, but my God, look at the transformation just with a few hours here and there. I tell you what, I'm absolutely made up. Bear in mind, guys, this is a humble garage at the bottom of our garden, and we seem to have turned it into something that only some people can dream of, and I feel really humbled and appreciative to be able to sort of get to this point and have my own little shop at home to bring you guys the content. Just like this table here. This table was only 50 quid off eBay, and we've also got a new TIG set that is going to open more doors for us on the channel, and you'll see things coming up. We've got an air jack. These things are all over TikTok at the minute. Absolutely fantastic. Just simple things like these socket rail organisers helping us sort out this bloody mess on top of the toolbox, but that's no longer. It's going to make things a lot easier to find. Some tools there. Danny's donated his bench grinder. We gave this long bench an overhaul with some 2K paint and hardener. It looks absolutely fantastic. And this little beauty came off Facebook Marketplace. It was 200 quid. Helps us now cutting exhaust. We're going to start making our own exhaust pipes and intercooler pipes and everything else. So this is going to be dead handy. But guys, I need your help. I need comments, I need sellers to contact me, I need limb bins, nuts and bolts and clips and everything else to go with it. So if you're the man for that, comment, tell me what you can do for me. But this is our next project, getting the engine out of this old girl. I really hope, guys, this has given you some inspiration for your garages at home. Keep learning, stay humble, and I'll see you on the next one.